Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have local access or appropriate rights. That prevents permission errors. Once done, open Terminal on Mac OS or Linux or PowerShell/command prompt on Windows. Make sure to note whether the machine is virtual or physical because host naming conventions can differ. Also check the OS version briefly. Certain commands vary by release. This initial step gets you into a command environment immediately, so you can run the exact checks that follow. You now run the platform-specific command to retrieve the hostname, so you see the authoritative value. On Mac OS or Linux, type hostname or cat/etc/hostname to read the stored name. These commands show the current configured identity. On Windows, run hostname or use ipconfig/all to confirm DNS name and NetBIOS details. For network gear, you show running config or hostname in the device CLI. Make sure to compare output to what you expect, since services may report different names. You finish by verifying the name across both the local config and remote name services, so systems remain consistent. Once done, compare the hostname output with DNS or records, /etc/hosts, or Active Directory entries to catch mismatches. If names differ, update the config file or host settings and restart the network service or reboot to apply changes. Make sure to check for DHCP overrides, typos, or permission issues. If problems persist, rerun the commands and inspect logs to pinpoint the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.